Is organic kidney detox tea good for you? In today's video, we'll explore the benefits and considerations of this herbal beverage to help you make an informed decision about incorporating it into your wellness routine. Hey there, wellness warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of organic kidney detox tea and whether it lives up to the hype. But first, let's break down what exactly this tea is all about. Organic kidney detox tea is a herbal beverage crafted with a blend of herbs known for their purported benefits in supporting kidney health and aiding detoxification. Ingredients like dandelion root, parsley, ginger, turmeric, and nettle leaf are often included for their diuretic and antioxidant properties. Now, let's talk about the potential benefits of organic kidney detox tea. 1. Supports kidney function. Some herbs found in organic kidney detox teas, such as dandelion root and nettle leaf, are believed to have diuretic properties, which may help increase urine production and promote the elimination of waste products from the kidneys. 2. Promotes urinary tract health. Certain ingredients in kidney detox teas, such as cranberry and parsley, are known for their potential to support urinary tract health and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. 3. Provides antioxidant support. Many herbs used in organic kidney detox teas, including turmeric and ginger, are rich in antioxidants that help protect the kidneys and other organs from oxidative stress and inflammation. 4. Reduces water retention. Diuretic herbs like dandelion root may help reduce water retention by increasing urine output, which can be beneficial for individuals experiencing bloating or swelling due to excess fluid buildup. 5. Supports overall detoxification. Organic kidney detox teas are often promoted as part of a holistic approach to detoxification, aiding the body's natural processes of eliminating toxins and impurities. But before you reach for that teapot, it's important to consider potential risks. While organic kidney detox tea may offer certain benefits, it's essential to consider potential risks and limitations associated with its use. Here are some factors to keep in mind. 1. Individual sensitivity. Some people may be sensitive to certain herbs or ingredients found in kidney detox teas, leading to adverse reactions or side effects such as stomach upset, diarrhea, or allergic reactions. It's important to start with small doses and monitor your body's response. 2. Interaction with medications. Certain herbs used in kidney detox teas, such as dandelion root and ginger, may interact with medications or exacerbate underlying health conditions. If you're taking any medications or have pre-existing medical conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating kidney detox tea into your routine. 3. Limited scientific evidence. While some studies suggest that certain herbs found in kidney detox teas may have potential health benefits, the scientific evidence supporting their efficacy for kidney detoxification is limited. More research is needed to validate these claims and determine the optimal dosage and duration of use. 4. Not a substitute for medical treatment. Organic kidney detox tea should not be viewed as a substitute for medical treatment or a cure for kidney-related issues. If you have kidney problems or concerns about your kidney health, it's crucial to seek advice from a qualified healthcare provider who can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs. In conclusion, while organic kidney detox tea may offer some potential benefits, it's crucial to approach its use with caution and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or pre-existing medical conditions. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and insights. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.